Beat the heat and save money. I'm John with Fan Diego in Specialty Electric, licensed, certified, bonded electrician. Also with Fan Diego. We've had some hot days in Southern California. We know that the heat's coming. Make sure your ceiling fans are ready. We can help save you money. Here's what happens. We've seen it for decades. Your fans don't work, it gets hot, they're making noise, they're ticking, they're unbalanced, they're really dirty. You call an electrician to see if it works. All he does is come out and test the power. You pay him $200, he leaves, you call us. Skip that step of calling the electrician. Call Fan Diego. I am an electrician, work exclusively with Fan Diego. We'll get you taken care of. We have packages to get all your fans updated and maintained before it gets hot. If you need any parts, 20% off the parts. We know how to do it right the first time. Fan Diego, Specialty Electric. Let's get your fans prepared.